Hello students, I am Garvit Pandey and I am your computer teacher. Now today I am going to discuss about fundamental of computer. Now first term is what is computer. Computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine that is used to perform many operations such as addition, subtraction, drawing, painting, write documents, etc. Now second second thing is what are the three basic functions of computer. First is it takes data from user by using input devices. It processes data by using processor, and at the last is it displays the output by using output devices. Now further we will move to the next category. Further we will move for the next category, which is parts of computer. There are mainly two parts of computer. First is your hardware and second is your software. Okay, what are hardwares? The physical component of computer are called hardware. Okay, now or we can say that the parts of computer that we can see or touch are called hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, etc. Second thing is software. Software is a set of program and a program is a set of instruction. Software is used to control and coordinate with computer hardware. Now, what are the examples? The examples of software are Microsoft Paint, MS Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Now third, the next category is what is the interrelation between hardware and software. Both hardware and software are interrelated to each other. Both hardware and software are interrelated to each other. It means if we have no hardware, then where to use software? Software का use कहाँ करेंगे? और if we have no software, the hardware is useless. Hardware बेकार है अगर मेरा software नहीं है तो. So we can say that if we have both hardware and software, then our computer works properly. Now, what are the types of hardware? Hardware is categorized into four categories. First is input devices, second is output devices, third is processing devices, and fourth is your storage devices. Now, first, what are the input devices? What are the input devices? The devices using which computer takes data, that devices are called input devices. ऐसे डिवाइस जिनके थ्रू कंप्यूटर में डाटा एंटर किया जाता है, that devices are known as input devices. The input devices convert the data into electrical signals so that computer can understand it. Now, what are the examples of input devices? Keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, barcode reader, etc. These are the input devices. Second is output devices. The devices which are used to display the output of the result, that devices are called output devices. Some devices provide a soft copy of output, that devices are called the device like monitor are categorized in this category, and the device that provides hard copy, which means paper printed result, that device is called printer. So there are many types of output devices. Printer, speaker, monitor. The monitor is categorized into two categories, either CRT or LED or LCD monitor. Okay. Now next, third thing is what are the processing devices? The devices which are used to process some operations on data, that devices are called processing devices. CPU is used as a processing device. Now what is CPU? CPU is the brain of computer. CPU computer का brain होता है. That takes three types of operation: arithmetic and logic operation. Second thing is memory unit. Third is control units. It has three parts. First is arithmetic and logic unit. Third is control unit. Second is memory unit, and third is control unit. Now move to the fourth category, that is storage devices. The devices which stores the data of the user so that we can use it when it is needed. The devices are called storage devices. This is categorized into two categories. First is your primary devices, second is your secondary devices. In the primary devices there are two types of memories. First is your RAM, second is your ROM. RAM is your random access memory, ROM is read only memory. And in the second category, secondary storage, there are many examples of secondary storage: hard disk, floppy disk, pen drive, CD, DVD, etc. These are the storage devices. Now in the next video we will discuss further about input devices, output devices, processing devices, and storage devices. Okay, thank you.